So we're going to start by identifying the solutions. Please circle the number 3. That tells me there will be 3 solutions. So our options, when you think about the possibilities, you can have a maximum possible of 3 real solutions. That means 3 x-intercepts. Or you could have, and how many pairs fit into here? 1 pair. That'd be 2 complex solutions and 1 real solution, or 1 x-intercept. Those are my possibilities. At this point, I don't know what it's going to be. Please circle the constant at the end. Not only is that your y-intercept, but that along with your leading coefficient is going to help us determine the possible real solutions. So because this is a 1 in front, it's not making a difference at this point, so we can focus just on the last number. So plus or minus 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So this has 12 possible real solutions. What is the slow way of doing this? You could take 1 cubed plus 5 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 minus 3. That would tell you the real ones, but it's never going to get you the answer to the complex. It's not going to help you. So please watch me do just 1. Put your pencil or pen down. I'm going to start with 1. Remember, I know it works if there's a 0 at the end. Everything's accounted for, cube, square, to the first power, and the constant. Bring down the first number. I always multiply by the outside, so 1 times 1 is 1. Add down to get 6, multiply to get 6, add down to get 2. Multiply to get 2. This negative 18 says it does not work. With the help of your partner, you have 25 seconds to try negative 1. Begin. By a raise of hands, who was able to achieve an answer of negative 12? Hands up. So does that say that this is a solution? Yes or no? Okay, together we're going to do 2. I'll give you a head start. I'll give you 30 seconds to see if you can get an answer, and then I'll begin. Does this work? Since it works to come off to the side, so that shows that 2 is a real solution. The remainder on the bottom, we're going to turn into a trinomial. 0 equals, I'm going to work backwards. There's your constant, x the first, and x squared. Can you please take that trinomial and factor and solve it? Princess, what are you doing? that multiply to equal 10 and combine to give you 7. X plus 5 and x plus 2. That means one answer is -5. The second answer is -2. So, we talked at the very beginning about the possible maximum number of solutions. One answer was going to be 3 real solutions. The other was going to be 2 complex and 1 real. We have not worked with complex yet when finding roots. That will be tomorrow. So this is a case of 3 real solutions. Let's make a graph. What is the y-intercept for our graph need to go down to as far as what? -20. Please also identify in your graph what the x-intercepts are that you just calculated. This particular graph, the degree is odd. The leading coefficient is positive, which means using your hand signals, what would that look like? Right hand up, left hand down. So on the right hand side, go up, bless you. On the left hand side, go down. Angling up to the right, angling down to the left. Now the confusion often occurs like, how do I connect these points? So between the right x-intercept and the middle, you have to incorporate the y-intercept. So let's go down and come back up. And now between the middle x-intercept and the left, we're going to go up over the x-axis and come back down. Remember how far you go up? I'm not judging that right now. Please finalize this by writing down what is the end behavior. As you go to the left, your graph is headed down. As you go to the right, your graph is headed up. Again, how many real solutions does this problem have? 3. How many complex solutions?